Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to create a Google Play Store account on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to create a Google Play Store account allows you to access a wide range of applications, game, and digital content available on the platform. It enables you to download and install applications, purchase digital content, and manage your preferences and settings within the Google Play ecosystem, and enhancing your overall Android device experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open Play Store application on your device. Well, after that, click Sign In option. And then select Create Account. Okay, and just for my personal use. After that, enter your first name, and then enter your last name. Okay, after finishing, then click Next. Okay, so here you can set your birth information. After that, you can click Next at the bottom. And then here you can choose your Gmail address, or you can create a different address. Okay, and then click Next. After that, please create a strong password. Well, and then click Next. Okay, so here you will be asked to enter your phone number, but you can also skip it by scrolling down the page and then click Skip option here. Okay, so now click Next. Well, and then in this section, you can scroll down and then click I agree. And wait a moment, and then you can uncheck list for backup option to avoid losing internet data on your device. Okay, and then click Accept. Okay, finally your Google Play Store account is successfully created. Well, that's the tutorial on how to create a Google Play Store account on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.